Boom.
Okay, we're at the chain sharpening station. Here's my chain blade. This is a chain sharpener. It's basically a rotating abrasive wheel, okay, with a clamp device below it. This is an Oregon 511A. This is pretty much the industry standard for blade sharpening. What's nice about this machine is that every tooth comes out exactly the same every time. So I'm just going to set this machine up and see that we grind nicely with this. Always nice to have your chains ground on a machine like this, but if you're 5 miles out in the woods and you have to use a file, it's better than coming down here out of the woods. At any rate, let me just test this. Okay, that's a pretty good setting right now for this. Okay, normally what I do, I'll take a bread tie off of Christopher's bread and wrap the first tooth so I know where I am and I don't wind up sharpening the same tooth over and over again. Let me just wrap this, and this is my starting point.
Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay, we'll go to our second tooth, and here we go. Notice that there are teeth on both sides of the chain, the left and the right side of the chain, and we're doing the right side right now. And when we finish the right side, we'll tip the bed. This is the bed, and tip it in the right direction and give it the right degree setting. Good idea just to shave these teeth. Think of the sharpening of a knife. You don't take a lot off, just enough to make it sharp. And you can see the beauty of this saw. You see every tooth comes out exactly the same. Come up on our tie wrap here. It's time to reverse our table. And what happens here is that from our center line here, we're cutting 30 degrees this angle. So now we got to move the bed this way, so we're cutting 30 degrees as opposed. Okay. So not only are we changing the direction of the bed, which for this machine right now is 30 degrees, we're also going to change its camber by 15 degrees, just like that. Okay, so now this is going to let us cut the other side of the chain, grind the other side of the chain, and it will be exactly opposite the right side. So the left and the right side, they'll be proportionate and even. There we go. Okay, nice sharp chain blade. Good grind on this. This is a nice chain, comes off a steel chainsaw. Very good steel. And let's put it back on the saw.